Good afternoon, students. So in our earlier English 1 class, we have discussed the second part of adverbs and we did up to exercise 2, question number 5. So we will start from the 6th question from exercise 2. The 6th question is, I saw him today. So which is showing us the time? I saw him today. So if I ask you, when did I see him? So you will tell today. So this will be adverb. Next, she will come soon. She will come soon. So which is showing us the time? Soon. This is adverb, because if I ask you by putting the question when, that when will she come, the answer will be she will come soon. Next, he never told a lie. So he never told a lie. So, which is showing us the time? Yes, never. Okay. Next, I always speak the truth. I always speak the truth. Okay. So when is what is the time? Yes, always is the time in this sentence. So it will be always. Now, I have heard this before. I have heard this before. Which is showing us the time? I have heard this before. Before. So here, before will be the time. That means adverb. Okay. Now come to the C number. So let's read the instruction first. That look at the pictures and then read the sentences given below. The sky is above. They looked up. The bottle is there. The boy is going upstairs. So all the sentences are indicating place. Okay. So the words above, up, there, upstairs add something to the meaning of the verb. Is, looked, is going. Okay. And they tell us where the action is done. That means place. So in earlier classes we have learned how the action is done. Second, when the action is done. And now we are reading where the action is done. So to identify the adverbs, we have to keep in our mind that adverbs can describe how the action is done, where the action is done, and when the action is done. Okay? So adverb can tell us the kind of action, the time of action, and the place of action. Now we are going to read the place of action. So a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb and tell us how a thing is done, when a thing is done, and where the thing is done is called an adverb. So do memorize the definition of adverb by your own. Come to exercise 3 quickly. Page number 28 in English Elementary Grammar book. Exercise 3, and what you have to do, underline the word that tells us where the things are done. That means again you have to identify the adverbs from the sentences. So sentence number 1. We sat inside. The answer is given already. Inside is adverb. Now we will do from question number or sentence number 2. She looked up. She looked up. So up is indicating one place. That's why it will be adverb. Next, the sky is above. The sky is above. So here above will be adverb because this is indicating place. No. Then fourth one is he stood below. He stood below. So which is indicating or showing the place? He stood below. So below is indicating the place. So where did he stand? He stand or he stood below. Next, fifth one. She has come back. So she has come back. Which is indicating the place? Definitely back. Okay. Now come to the sixth one. He has gone away. He has gone away. So which is the adverb over here? Definitely away. I am not writing the whole sentence. I am only identifying the adverb. Now come to seventh one. The map is there. So which is, where is the map? You have to identify the place. So where is the map? There. So definitely there will be adverb. Now come to the eighth number. Shita is sitting here. So where is Shita sitting? Here. Here will be adverb. Now come to ninth number. Ninth number. Hari is sitting outside. So where is Hari sitting? Outside. Outside is the place. That's why it will be the adjective. Now 10th number. He has gone upstairs. He has gone upstairs. So where has he gone? He has gone upstairs. Okay? Upstairs. So this is the words which are showing us that when the or where the action is done. Okay students? So today up to this we will do from exercise 4 in our next English 1 class.